Customer engagement AI is one of the three main core pillars of the AI cockpit. And the reason behind that is simple. The intent of the customer could be a chat, could be a question, could be a test drive booking or a service appointment. And if we lose that, we lose the customer. You see, the industry has been built around the showroom schedule and not the customer decision schedule. And for the first time with AI, we have the chance to alter this reality. For the first time ever, you may have people calling the dealership outside of working hours because this is when they decide to buy. It's going to be with the weekend where they're sitting down with family. It's going to be after work. It's going to be scrolling through the night. That's when they're going to have a request. And unless we're there to answer this request using AI, the customer is lost. Knowledge and enablement AI is one of the most significant strategic pillars of the AI cockpit. The reason behind this is that we notice that there is a huge disconnect between the data that are many times siloed in databases, brochures, leaflets, and the people themselves that want access to this data. It could be managers, it could be regular customers, it could be even sales advisors. That's why we built document-based chatbots that are able to quickly reference information and give answers about questions based on the data uploaded. Quiz generation tools that are able to quickly generate quizzes for regions of compliance. At the same time, wiki agents that are capable to aid new hires into getting acclimated with how company processes, procedures work without having to bug people or ask many questions.